Hey, it's Steven with Parts Doctor. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the detergent dispenser in the Samsung washing machine. Let's get started. The most common issue with the dispenser is it breaking or not dispensing any of the liquid detergents properly. With the lid open, remove the detergent dispenser by sliding it out until it stops, tilt up and out to remove. If you have a bad dispenser and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washing machine to make sure you get the correct part. On this model, the components of the dispenser are not sold separately, so if any part is broken, you'll have to replace the entire dispenser. To install the dispenser, tilt it at an angle, align the sides, insert it, tilt down, and push it closed. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.